So, I suppose you've seen my recent videos about the Halo 3 Magnum. This is the, well, I made the hiker after that. I just turned it into a noodle assault pistol, and I keep getting criticised for Master of the Lines because it looks very, very similar. Sorry, except it didn't have the trigger on now. I didn't realise. Sorry. So now I've got the sorries out of the way. This is my version of the shotgun off of Halo this time. So instead of obviously being where you have the barrel and then it goes down to a handle, then you get the stock, different to that. It's like a rifle, but I'm calling it a shotgun because it looks more like the Halo shotgun than the rifle because it hasn't got a sight. So first of all, I just want to say, oops, the magazine, well, not the magazine pin because I haven't got a magazine, but the pin for the gun is here, and the elastic band is broke. So just before I was doing the video, literally, I ain't got any more. So anyway, I'll just give you a quick look at the gun. Here it is. So yeah, it's good. You can hold it like a sniper. You can hold it like a Spartan laser, and you can hold it like a pistol because it's lightweight. But your arm will get achy after a while because it's compact. I'm thinking of putting a magazine on here. So you take unclip this bit off, fold it down off of a lever, and round the magazine up, and then put it all back up again. It's got pretty much true trigger. It's got 3 triggers, so yeah, a little bit like that. Now I haven't got the magazine, but I haven't got a magazine, but the elastic band from the pin was broke. So how you load it is, you see that green rod there? Put it back towards you. So towards you, the stock here, and you pull the trigger, and it's left free to slide back, which is actually quite cool. Another cool feature is, obviously I've just looked at the guns, and I've mixed, I think it's like 3 or 4 guns together actually. I've mixed Zach France's gun with the trigger mechanism, and or if you actually cut that part of the barrel off and made it all, different, that would be Zach France's gun, but it would look extremely difficult to build because obviously it would be different. Stock, I took off of my old guns, which I didn't put on YouTube. It was one of my battle rifles, but I didn't put it on YouTube because obviously the magazine didn't load properly at all, and you actually fiddle with it, and I just couldn't be bothered to build differently. And the front part of the barrel is just my own. So yeah, and these bits here is part of Master of the Lines version, or the Bumpus' version. So it's not very flimsy. It used to be until I changed it, put the Zach Rance element on it. And obviously you've got a front bit, so you can hold it like that. Of course, you're meant to hold it like that, or like that, so your arm's straighter, but I find it more comfortable to hold it left straight, and then obviously a single bang like that, but obviously I haven't got the elastic band, which is a bit of a nuisance, so I'll get the elastic band, put it on as quickly as possible. It shoots blue rods, so you just cock it like that, and then you put the blue rod in front, and then you fire it. But again, I haven't got the elastic band, so I can't show you. It is relatively powerful, actually. I was actually quite surprised by how powerful it was. Because before I tried to make bolt action, because I took the whole side of the stock off to make a bolt, but that didn't work out because it wasn't as powerful as I hoped it'd be. So I took that off and then went back to this, and then I realised it was too low because this bit kept going up and like sticking up and out of it. So I changed the barrel position, which worked. So yeah, it all works perfectly now. Everything works in harmony on this gun. So yeah, please rate 5-star. Actually, it is because it's me. And obviously comment, good comments please. And bye. Subscribe as well please. See ya. Bye.